Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to the Speak English with Mishu, your go-to space for learning English in a fun, natural way, while also boosting your life skills. I'm Emily.
And I'm Liam. We're so happy you're with us today. Whether you're brand new or a loyal listener, today's episode is going to hit home for everyone.
Let me ask you something. What do you think is the one thing that can make or break your success? Whether you're learning English, trying to get fit, or chasing a dream?
Great question. I think I know this one. It's gotta be self-discipline. That magical thing that keeps us going, especially when motivation disappears.
Ding, ding, ding! You nailed it! And funny enough, I've been struggling with it lately myself. My goals? Slipping a little?
I get it. We all have those moments. We start strong, but then life gets in the way, right?
Totally. That's why today, we're diving deep into self-discipline, what it is, why it matters, and most importantly, how to build it.
Oh, yeah. And we're not just talking theory. We've got real-life tips you can use right now for your English learning and your daily life.
Plus, we're giving away a free PDF with key points, vocabulary, grammar exercises, and reflection questions. Just check the link in the description.
And stay tuned. Charlotte's back with some awesome intermediate vocabulary breakdowns you won't want to miss.
So whether you're looking to create new habits, boost your confidence, or just stay focused, this episode is for you.
All right, ready to get disciplined? Let's jump in.
First up, start with tiny habits. Think small, like really small.
Yeah, I used to set these massive goals, like I'll run 5 kilometers every morning. Spoiler alert, I didn't.
We've all been there. The key? Go micro. Try 5 minutes of English practice a day, just 5.
That sounds doable. And it builds momentum, right?
Exactly. Little by little becomes a lot.
Tip 2. Focus on systems, not just goals.
Yes, goals are your destination. Systems are your vehicle. Without a system, you're just hoping for results.
So instead of, I want to learn English fluently, your system might be, I practice 10 minutes every morning using my podcast app.
Spot on. Systems equals success on autopilot. Next, make your habits attractive. Add some fun.
Totally. I now listen to music during workouts. Makes it so much better.
Same with English. Watch your favorite series in English. Reward yourself after a study session. Fun fuels consistency.
Let's talk about environment. Design your space for success.
Yes, your space should support your goals. For example, keep your English book on your desk. Put your language app on your home screen.
And ditch the distractions. Netflix can wait.
Next tip, manage your willpower and energy.
Willpower fades. Do the hard stuff when you're feeling fresh.
Like studying in the morning, don't wait until you're drained.
Automate decisions. The fewer choices, the better.
Yes, make a study schedule. Set reminders. Lay out your clothes the night before. Less thinking, more doing.
Tip 7. Accountability works wonders.
Share your goals. Have a friend check in. Join a language group.
Having someone to encourage or nudge you keeps you going.
Let's keep this going. For the next part of our episode, we'll share real stories from learners like you who've used self-discipline to make big changes.
Yes! These are real, relatable, and super inspiring, and they show you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent.
Coming up, how Maria from Brazil used 10-minute daily English routines to land a remote job with an international company, and how Ahmed from Egypt lost 12 kilograms by focusing on small but steady fitness changes.
These stories are packed with lessons and motivation. Stay tuned.
That's a wrap, friends. Remember, start tiny build systems. Make it fun. Shape your space. Protect your energy. Stay accountable.
And of course, keep learning English with us. one small habit at a time.
Subscribe, share, and join us next week. Until then, stay disciplined and keep leaping forward.